What's up, herd? Today is another great day to be in the Elephant.Money ecosystem. We've got a lot to cover, so let's get on into the charts. Bitcoin is bouncing off its lows here at about 58,000. It came all the way down to 58,471 just the other day, and we're retracing from there on the way back up. I do expect this to move sideways a little bit before heading back up. I think we have some doldrums in this market currently. Waiting on those ETH ETFs to get started, hopefully next week, guys. I do expect this to go sideways until then as well. Maybe get a wick down over the weekend to touch this ascending support line. BNB is down 1% today, still hovering right around just under $600. And Solana is up a little bit today, bouncing from its lows around 120. I do think most of the majors will trend sideways through the weekend before we start getting ETH ETFs, hopefully trading next week. I haven't gotten official information on that yet, but I'll update you about that on Friday. Getting into Trunk though, 7% up over yesterday, guys. We had a 2-hour live call with BT on our Telegram, guys, and I think that's what stoked the fires of the herd, and we are heading right back up, currently at 67 cents per trunk. And if you got Trunk down here at the lows of 5 cents, guys, you guys are up 10x and then some. So let's keep on pushing. Trunk is the tip of the spear right now, but let's get into some of the details from that 2-hour long call that we had with BT. You can check that out, guys, first by going to the Elephant.Money Telegram. I'll link the official link in the description below. But if you go to the top here, you can click on the pinned messages, and BT's messages are always pinned to the top, along with these videos here that I create as well, so you can be up to date on a regular basis. So again, 2-hour long voice call, answered some questions, but generally just talked about Trunk being the tip of the spear. And I did post a little TLDR in SK's Telegram yesterday. So the TLDR on the 2-hour call is buy Trunk, lend on Solend. BT wants Trunk-USDC to be the #1 pool on Solend by TVL. So let's go over to Solend real quick and actually look at that. We're currently #2. We've gained over all of these different pools, guys, all the way up to #2 already. We have over $10 million in supply between Trunk and USDC on that pool already, which is incredible. Even if you're not using Solend to leverage your Trunk, guys, I do recommend putting your Trunk into there, getting a little bit of APR on that, but just getting more eyes on this will help us get over to the top of this list. Solend is the second largest lending platform and the longest lasting lending platform on all of Solana, guys. So this is serious business here. $10 million in this pool between Trunk and USDC, and that's only going to go up with the price of Trunk going up, right? So let's get our Trunk into this pool and start lending. If you want to leverage that and start borrowing USDC and swapping that back into Trunk, I do recommend putting that new Trunk back into the pool to buffer your liquidations. I do recommend that you do less than 30% loan to value ratio there, just to make sure you, if we have any down wicks, hard down wicks, that you're not in danger of getting liquidated, guys. Be careful out there. Do your own research, not financial advice, right? But the largest pool on this platform is actually the, it's an LP here. So MSOL LP, and that is going to be from Meteora, and there's over $300 million in that. So it could take us a little while to get there, guys, but let's do our best and try to get to the #1 pool here, because that would be insane for getting eyes on our pool and eyes on Trunk. So let's get back into the TLDR. As far as futures goes, BT recommends just compound futures, keeping it in maintenance mode right now. If you want to make serious gains, the gains are to be made in the Trunk token. So I do believe that this is the case, guys. All these assets are having a massive bull run already this year and will continue to do so throughout the fall and winter this year. So I do believe the best gains are to be made, not in depositing into futures, guys, but into Trunk. Last couple things here. Last capital use of Bertha should be legal representation. The legal representation did get approved from the Savannah DAO. We're going to be taking the $250,000 first year retainer out of out of Bertha for that. Speaking of Savannah votes, guys, a documentary will go to vote. Will be funded by the Savannah DAO rather than Bertha on that one. BT expects that to cost around $200,000, but instead of taking it out of Bertha, they'll be taking it out of the Savannah DAO funds, which is awesome. And then he wants to make Bertha immutable after first year of legal retainer is taken out. So that's huge news for that from that 2-hour voice call that we got on the Telegram page, guys. Go ahead and listen to that if you got some time today. Make sure to check it out and get all the details, as this protocol and this community is on the move. Not financial advice, guys, but I do think Trunk is going to head back up towards $1 very shortly here. Has bounced from the lows at 47 cents and gone all the way up to 67 cents, which is a 40% move in just 10 short days. Now is the time to get in, guys. Accumulate Trunk, especially while it's cheap, under $1. DCA if you have the funds, and HODL for the long term. If you need some cash instead of selling your Trunk, lend it to Solend, borrow a little USDC, and eventually when Trunk is over $1, guys, if you need to repay that loan, just sell a little off the top of your Solend and repay that debt. With that, thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more content just like this. I'm here every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday representing the Elephant.Money ecosystem and the herd. Love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.